Do you want to create titles using Adobe Premiere Pro? So here's how to do it in 2025. So if you want to learn to create a title for your video projects, first thing you want to do is ensure your sequence is ready and you know where in the timeline you'd like the title to appear. So now select your type tool or just press T from the toolbar. Then type your title in the program monitor. Then you want to right-click in the title and the program monitor and select the Edit Properties from the context menu to open the Properties panel, which is this one in the right side corner. Then you can now customize your title with fonts, colors, and styling options. You can adjust the text, the font size, add some colors for the appearances, for the fill, the strokes in the backgrounds, add some shadows, or just mask with text, and a lot of more customizations. Then simply adjust it to the customization appearance of your text, and now you can create any effect that you want. So basically, just customize whatever type of effect you want on your titles just using Adobe Premiere Pro by simply adjusting the properties. And as you can see right here, before and after, this is what it will look like depending on what style you've chosen. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications